a priority out of everything that I do, every gift that I have. In defika qale umculo, because even kwa acting Phumlani ngingene ngomculo, because ngaqala lapha kuma stage plays njengoba ngisho ngithi ngahlangana no Sifiso Ncwane kwakufune ku stage play ngangayele go act kwakuthiwa kufuna ama singers, but then because you are a singer and in stage play you have to sing and act, so I then got trained to be an actress, which I never thought ukuthi ngingagcina mhlambe ngikwaze nokuthola ama opportunities okuba ku TV, because for me my strength is more on music, but kwagcina kutraineke konke. Now kusengihlangana noSifiso on that platform, sengicela manje ngi-backing vocalist, and then nini sengizithola sengiyabizwa nanka ama acting gig nanka TV, hayibo sengi-TV, but then all these things noma these gifts atholakale from music, which the Bible says uNkulunkulu kunikeza italent elilodwa, khumbula laba abanikwa ama-talent kuthiwa omunye walithukusa omunye walimultiply. I am multiply my talent as you are faithful on one talent le uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona. Do it with all your might. uNkulunkulu uzozala okunye amanye amathuba uzibone sokwezinye indawo kanti because you are faithful to that one talent and one gift that you have.
And this talent of yours has given you awards, multiple awards. Early this year, I remember you went overseas to receive another award. Tell us about that and some of the awards. Oh, Treasurisha, oh, Tiabona, this one. Maningwana, oh, Tiabona, le, nale, they stand out.
Yeah, in February. Texas, USA.
Imagine.
Listen, bro.
Imagine.
Who knew? Whoever knew would this little girl will end up traveling overseas, nominated as the best African female. And I'm like,
Africa.
Yes. And I'm like, African international artist. I'm like, nah, it's I met people from the social network, and this guy I met there, Umfundisi, he moved, he relocated to US. Social network, I love your work, and the first trip I went, I think it was 2016, 2015, ngaqala ukuya phesheya naye ngiyocula nabona Mahalia Buchanan and what. So it happens, guys, that you meet your destiny helpers lapha ku social networks. It's very important that you treat a social network kulo level, because even if you uyaqashwa njengamanje uhambe ku interview, they check your social network. So it's very important to write things othi uma ifika kwi boss yami lezinto azizongifaka enkingeni, or somebody that wants to give me an opportunity. So this guy again told me about the awards. What's khona ama awards akanje. Hey, I believe in you. Oh, Babu Mia, uqinisile. I found myself nominated. Kwathiwa kuyavotwa, abantu bangivotel. How ngahamba ngaphesheya mangifika yazi ukuthi ngangiqeda ukuperform, because I had also a performance on the awards. Mangiqeda ukuperform, people were all over the place, and umoya kaNkulunkulu wehle. And that time you are as in a foreign land, and you are singing a song that they've never heard, as much as it was an English song. But it's so amazing. My artists can agree with me, which on the third line of the song, everybody is on their feet, everybody is joining and singing along. And kulo muzwa ngiyaphuma ngiyagijima ngisayoziphephetha ngiyotibonga inkosi ngiyabonga, this performance went well. Kanti stage useya uyobiza the category that I won, and mangibuya ngiyabuya kuthiwa uphi ngingena ngisami ngenyawo ngiqeda umjuluko ukuthi kuthiwa yimina owinile. Like really, I never believed. That is very precious and very special for me. As much as I have awards that I honor, like I told you, Gospel Crown Music Awards, kinama award amangaki ama crown, 2 number 3. Best female 2023, 2022. I was the best female. I think 2024. Because last year we were Cindy Ntombela, best female. So I'm really honored. Kukhona bongoma awards, kukhona abompumalanga. Yes. So I'm wow. it's amazing. Right now, I'm also nominated on my awards. I say Abuja. I'm traveling to Abuja. Actually, I just came back there because the connections that I made overseas in Texas. That was Abuja manje ke ngoJune. So I'm going there again manje ngo September, and also singing lined up invites and the awards that are there already on October. So now in September I'm going there. There's a recording of the sister. It's amazing, bruh. I don't wanna lie. It is amazing.
It's Mega Grace on Sunday on Vuma FM. It's Mega Grace on Sunday on Vuma FM. At that radio for the young at heart. Pindi Lepewa, Tuma Mina. I think this is one of my favorite songs. This one.
Wow.
Even in the the content yakona, message yakona. Beautiful song. Tell us about this EP. Epume 5 July 2024. Tell us about the EP.
EP, it was mozulalela a message yamaculo wonke akona. It's about prayer. It's also reviving abazalwane who are in the ministry that God is sending us to the nations. Especially this song, esidlala ethi Thuma mina yenza ngami lokho okuthandayo. Thuma mina. We are ready, uNkulunkulu usithembile bazalwane, with the souls ukuthi yithi esobalanda. Lithi iBhayibheli lakaNkulunkulu ufisa ukuthi bonke abantu bafinyelele kulazini iqiniso. So this EP is basically to revive prayer. It is a prayer altar. It's where you're pouring yourself out. Because we are ready to go. But we are lacking as the children of God, as a band. So we are here to encourage you. I'm sure, like when you tell me, no one you tell as encourage you. So it's that EP. This song particularly, it was written by Uwanda Kwela, my producer or pianist. Yami ngiyabonga kakhulu baba uKwela for this beautiful song. And then Mthandazweni, I wrote it. And I featured to Cindy last minute. Remember, Cindy be recorder in Playhouse.
Yes.
The next morning we were recording this song.
My goodness me!
It was unplanned. This song is
powerful.
Bra, can you come? Sizokwenza ingoma la ukhona uthi mina ngizoba khona. Ekhathele udaka kaze ngathi this woman is so gifted ukuthi voice yakhe ayishile kade ecula usuku bonke ekseni ngo9 sasikwe studio senza le ngoma noSindi. And then there's Thuma mina, and then there's another special song.
There's another song where you sing with Umfundisi. Is that your dad?
That's my dad. That's my dad. No, it was unplanned. Ipinje umthetho inhlaka nje iqhamukile nje sahlanganisa ingoma together. Ingoma kaMfundisi uPhewa ubaba mongizala nje bangishile ekuqaleni ukuthi ngizalwa umfundisi ngiphi ke.
How special is that?
Angiculi ke naye bengambizelanga ukuthi azocula. Ngiyarecorda lapha yako October 2022. Ngithi baba awuzobingelela abantu. It was his first time seeing me on stage.
My goodness.
Ubaba ungazi ngicula esontweni akaza ngibone kuma event ngisengiphambi kwabantu. So I asked him ukuthi ke azobingelela abazalwane. Bese ngithi ayiculela kahle bengekho ku line up. Abesafike ke nathi sengimdala lapha. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngangiyiqalile ingoma ngimsukumisa ngayo wathi hayi le yakhe yankinyi. Sengimdala lapha emhlabeni. So I'm thinking to myself, masisilalele lento sino wonder na team yonke ngisebenza nayo bathi hayi man, this is special. Nokuthi nje ngithola ithuba lokucula nobaba, I never thought I would get the chance because we've never planned it. So uNkulunkulu wavela opportunities acula nobaba, and people really love the song.
I'll play the song. Tell me, who did you work with? Because ngiyayizwa indlela ehlanganiswe ngayo le ngoma ukuthi kunezandla ebezihlanganisa serious.
Ngisebenze nayo Uwanda Kwela, kube khona ukubass umdamba Mr Mdamba lapho uyayivuma kamnandi bass yakhe kuzoba khona uBoy Kimnomiya uBoy kushonele udade wabo uZinhle Mnomiya ngithi nje Dudu while I'm still here there ukuthi phephisani bafowethu uZinhle besimthanda elinye nje lama worshiper elinamandla wadlula emhlabeni so uBoy drama wami bese kuzoba khona insizwa lapha yaseZimbabwe engidlalela ibass I mean lead guitar kube khona omunye odlala ama second keys team nje le ethathi kahle kahle abantu engisebenze nabo since ngaqala ukuba ku music ngiyakuthanda ukuba loyal masulapha siyabashiya nokuthi sikhule ndawonye kumnandi nje ukwazi ukuthi mase kubonakala lobuso shoot uphinde iphi usekhona or uphinde iphi makuthi event ngiyakuthanda lokho I've seen kuba artists especially aphesheya kuba sebenzela nigcina senazana seniqondana nama vocals abona uNtuli abobani abalapha yana babaningi kakhulu ababheka abantu abaphambili ngempela abaphezulu ontokozo mbambo ngisebenze nama vocals akulow level and I'm so honored ukuthi nabo bebe yiphathi yami ngiqala noma nabo sibekhulile bekwelenye level kodwa siqale ndawonye nabantu abaningi ke abangisizile ukuthi ke lo music uphume ube ngalendlela eyiyona ngijabule kakhulu
because of our time sesayivala sitshele ukuthi what are you promising someone that will buy your music kuma online stores yini umthembiso ukuthi uzoyithola kumculo wakho nokuthi where do we find your music
umculo wami uyatholakala entolo zonke lezi sezidayisa ke gogo bazokubhekela ekhaya abazukulu ukuthi kutholakala kanjani lapha yana kuyangena emafonini kwenza sekuya download manje ingoma ibe khona lapha noma udownload i-app nje lapha ka Spotify udownload i-app ukwazi ukuyidlala ingoma noma yinini ngoba khona la amanye ama platforms angasebenzeli thina njengama artists ziyatholakala zikhona nezinye ngiyirecorde ngaphambilini i-EP nje be previous ethi I believe nezinye ingoma ezimnandi ezikuyona nalathi yebo bakithi ikhona yatholakala abantu abaningi bangizwa ngayo kuma Crown ngo2019 zikhona ziningi ungena nje kuwona wonke ama digital platforms uzoyithola kanti ke kuma social network @PindiP lapana kuzo zonke inkundla na ku YouTube uthi nje PindiP uzongithola na ku TikTok na ku Facebook page si live khona njengamanje yini enye ngishiya
Twitter
ku Twitter @Pindi_P_ yeah
Siswami, thank you so much for joining us this morning. It's such an honor. Bengifisa ngelinye ilanga ufike nabo bonke laba kade babala nifake zonke izinto zeni le
sihlabela
indumiso our longest dumiso
kufanele kwenzeke kodwa nginayo into engasenzeke manje ngoOctober ukuthi angingafisanda ukuyikhulumela manje ngoDecember 2nd week of December sisihlela into abantu abazoza ke mhlawumbe bazobuka umcimbi othe ukuthi thuthu othe ukubabhika zonke izinto zakhona ziyahlangana
mandlala ma record ngikubona mawenza ama recordings zakho niyaqoqana
sakhodana sibe ithimbana nje so kuloko siyayivula bafowethu siyamthemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi ziyahlangana izinto zethu siyayihlela otherwise ke noma ikuphi la ongibona khona ama poster ngisuke ngizoba khona ngilenzi angikwenza manga
thank you so much